My man here looking like Tom Cruise. Your uncle dropped me when we know that we really was ready to drop me.
Wherever we end up.
Where's John? John! Alright, if you know the words, dance and sing to this one.
But you believe in it. Got the spice, got the sauce, and they got the seasoning in it. Yeah, yo, something's like I'm on the one that's like what the fuck you gonna do? I got the way to like something. You guys want to come? You come party with me. It's your girl Star party. Hip-hop artist. Only by request. Okay.
That's a whole different ballgame.
Straight to the top, never going down, don't wait for this.
Double down.
Yeah, We blowing up, I've been exploding, you know that I got it up.
The team, but it's sour at the beginning.
That was some from Granville with the hot skills.
My name is Little Smoke, my life's a little joke. I'm just chilling, trying to make a million, stack it to the ceiling.
Like what? Bro, anything you want, bro.
Hey, you know what I fucking mean. Talking to shit, give me the ability, got the ability, I don't get it. He uses Crest or maybe Colgate. I just blow. I'm like Wayne Gretzky lacing up his old skates. Shout out to my buddy, getting hyped for the site. You just only killing, you just put me in the bread.
Let's see. Okay, let's do it. You guys, lots of love.
Tonight, I be tall in the call. Hey, shout out to my dude, to my new. Yo, shout out to the cutie from the movie in the new jacuzzi. I'ma make a smoothie, now I'm feeling like I'm Scooby-Doo. So I'm just heading to you, I'm chilling on the blue.
I won't change by the colors. Rolls, flowers, flowers. Rolls, flowers, flowers.
Now my money should have got the energy and energy. I'm letting people under in the 70s.